Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Past Question 7. So we have a diagram illustrating a surveyed school farmland, and we have to use it to answer this question. Now we are asked calculate the area of the farmland. A 0.32 hectares, B 0.36 hectares, C 0.47 hectares, D 0.52 hectares. Now the first thing to do when given an area of a farmland to calculate is to identify the shape of that farmland. And from what is given to us, the shape of this farmland is a trapezium. So basically we are given the dimensions of the trapezium and we are asked to find the area. So we just apply the area for the formula for calculating the area of a trapezium, and then we'll get our answer to this question. So area of a trapezium is equal to A plus B over 2 times h. Now this 45 meters is h, that is the height, okay, representing the height of the figure. Now A is our 70 meters, B is 90 meters. So we apply those variables into the formula. So area is equal to A 70 plus B 90 over 2 multiplied by 45. Now 70 plus 90 is 160. 160 over 280. 80 multiplied by 45 is 3600 meters square. Now this is the area in meters square because our dimensions were given to us in meters, but the options we have here are in hectares. So we have to convert our answer from meters square to area in hectares, and to convert from meters square to hectares, all you have to do is to divide the value in meters by 10,000. So from meters square to hectares, we'll say our answer 3600 meters square divided by 10,000, and that's equal to 0.36 hectares. 0.36 hectares is option B. So option B, 0.36 hectares, is the area of the farmland and the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.